Okay, alright. Okay, this is the Alpinestars T-SPS version 2 jacket. This jacket is made of mesh textile jacket. It's really airflow and it's equipped with elbow protection and the shoulder protection. And it also a partition for a back protector, but you have to sew, but it's sold separately. Have to buy it separately. See, this is a mesh airflow. This is made of mesh textile. And it's very light. And this is really suitable for writing in a warm weather. It's really fit. This is a size small because I always wear a size small jacket. Because it is sold separately. Okay, the downside of this jacket is it's not waterproof, but it's really suitable for warm weather riding. It's really suitable.